Thanks for checking my video. In this video, I'm going to review mini income stream. It's a new training by Rachel Rofe that reveals the secret of generating 100k. So you can get access to the free book that reveals 5 steps to 100k with mini income stream. So click the link below video to get access to the link. When you click the link, they're going to open to this page where you can input your name and your email address to get access to the free book. So what is mini income stream? Mini income stream reveals exact system that Rachel Rofe used to make thousands of dollars per day from a largely automated print-on-demand business. Rachel revealed the 4 main methods of monetization, which are Amazon, Etsy, eBay, and back-end sales. So you can now download the free book to learn the same process. The mini income stream free book is a 72 pages PDF plus training videos that Rachel prepared that outline as the system and the case study. So Rachel also revealed how it generated over 400k this year using AI tools, working only a few hours per month. So you can now get access to the free book then and also subscribe to the free training. Don't forget, the free book reveals a game-changing method that helps countless of people achieve incredible results as little as just a few weeks. And the method has been so effective that many people have even reached 100k with this mini income stream. So click the link below to get access to this page and input your name and email address. The other things I want to learn from this book are how Rachel make a super healthy 6-figure incomes in just a few hours of work each month. You will learn the innovative tools and software that automate 80% of the work, achieve amazing results with minimal effort. How to do all this without previous experience, with little time commitment, and without any technical knowledge. You will learn the 3 huge source of driving buyer traffic that you can tap into using this same system. And you also learn more from this free ebook and free training. So click the link below to get access to this page, to input your name and your email address and get access to the free book. So wish you the best of luck. I will also post some more video on this mini income stream. So check my channel to learn more about this free training. Thank you for watching.